Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be show you how to make slime. Let's go to the slime. So the first thing you needed a bowl. Second thing you needed mixing tube. Third thing you needed also glue. And fourth thing you needed food color, activator, and some lotion. So first you need bowl. I'm using this bowl, so it's all clean and nice. And also need this. So I also glue. I open my glue right now. So yeah, I'm putting in glue all. So this thing's enough. I know I just put a little. Take it out. Okay, it's all taken. Add in. Close it. Close it up. Hey! Oh, is this it's just off. Okay. And I need color. I'm using green because the green is cute color. They drop off. But to drop off green because yeah, I want it also teal color nail polish. And turn, so you need lotion. Okay. Ow. Oh, the lotion, it doesn't take it out already. And it's okay. So I want to take out this type of down. Ow! Whew, this is so hard. But I put them in now. Just I want to mix it, the thing all together. Okay. So there, it looks like our glue. And first, I'm gonna mix it. Oh my god. It is really pretty looking. Oh, it's looking like it's all turned out. So, pretty good. And also need activator. Activator. Okay, activator. Like a bee in it. Okay, I just took a bee. And put oh, bee I put them. Okay. Oh, it is turned slime. I know. Okay. Okay. It not really turned slime. It just turned a little. But okay. It's pretty turned up. Okay. So I'm going to mix it. It's making really well. See the slime is look like. So I want to touch it. It's turned slime. Okay. Okay, it's okay once, but it is sticky. A little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing my hands. So that's really cool. Turn away. It just turned a little slimy, okay? Just lot little. But it's turned pretty tight and see it just turned cleary little. Slime is a little bit of clearish. With the lotion in it, it's softer slime after. Second part of my slime. Make a big one. And stop it. Ow, what?